A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers team welcomes you to this video, and I'm very much glad to meet you all again in this video. And this video is going to be a very important one because we have scheduled a 4 months study plan to clear IBPS AFO examination 2021-22 at the very first attempt. Come on, let's get into the video. We have given a schedule here and you need not want to stick 100% to this schedule. Instead, you can make alterations and divide time according to your stronger and weaker subjects. Either you can follow this schedule or you can make your own schedule based on this outline. The only thing is you have to cover the whole syllabus and you must give time for revision too, because revision gives you perfection and clarity in the thing you have studied. We have already provided 8 months planning and also 6 months planning. For those who haven't followed that, we are providing 4 month study plan, and in the before schedules there are umpty number of time for each subjects, but here only 4 months are left out. So we have scheduled accordingly. It will be a little tight schedule, so you have to spend at least 9 to 10 hours per day to cover all the syllabus within the given time. Even though there is a little time constraint, you need not want to worry or rush up with the things. Instead, these 4 months are more than enough to crack your exam if you study with clarity and with proper time management. We can see the scheduling now. You can follow this, or even you can use this as an outline and make your own plan too. Actually, this plan starts from September. Yes, from September 1st to 10th of September, I have provided for quantitative aptitude. In that time, you have to read, revise, practice and complete everything. After that, from September 10 to 20, I have allotted for logical reasoning and general English. So, starting from September 1st to September 20th, you have to complete everything for your prelims examination. Since mains exam need more attention while comparing to the prelims, so that I have allotted more time for mains comparing to your prelims. From September 21st to October until November 10th, I have given for the books that are recommended for IBPS AFO mains examination. You have to complete Nemrat Sindha, R.K. Sharma and Arun Katyan everything in this time, starting from 21st of September to 10th of November. I have given an umpty number of time to complete the syllabus. So you have to read and also revise that too. And also you have completed the prelims in September 20, so that to be in touch with that prelim syllabus, in between your mains preparation, you have to give at least 1 hour per day for revision of the prelims, so that you will be in touch with the syllabus. This is very important because if you give a long gap between your preparation, then there is a higher chance for forgetting the things. So keeping in touch, you have to do this. I am insisting this in both 8 month study plan and 6 month study plan, and also I am insisting this here too. Please follow. Actually, I followed this so that it gave me confidence before the prelims preparation, so that I am insisting it for you too. Coming to the point, from 10th of November to 20th of November, you have to complete NABARD bankable projects and NABARD sectoral papers. Both things you should have completed and revised it. Even though it seems to be a little hectic, please don't give up. Instead, work hard because only 4 months is left out. Coming to the next, between 20th of November to 30th of November, you have to complete Farmers Friendly Handbook and Census and other schemes. And after December 1, that is, you will be having your prelims examination after 25th of December. So 1st to 25th of December, you have to revise all the things you have read for prelims. Try to attend few marks so that it will be helpful in your time management. And immediately after the completion of your prelims examination, just start for your mains preparation, because you will be having only 15 to 20 days in between. You will be having your mains examination after 25th of January. So you'll be having December 30 to December 25. In that time, you have to revise everything that you have read for your mains examination. And I have said that between December 1 and December 25, you have to practice for prelims. Even though you are practicing for your prelims, in between, give time for your mains so that you'll be in touch and it will be easy for you to revise after the completion of your prelims. And after the completion of your mains, you can go for your interview preparation. That time it will be enough for your interview preparation. And it's all about the 4-month planning. Keep it as a base and prepare your own schedule too. And few things I want to insist to you. I haven't provided time for current affairs because you have to update it on daily or weekly basis. We are also providing the weekly current affairs on every Sunday. Just make use of it. As I said before, give at least 1 to 2 hours in between one another for your prelims and mains preparation because it will help you to keep in touch with the syllabus that you have prepared previously. And next most important thing, whatever you read on the day, you have to revise it at the night, and in the next morning you have to revise it too. Yes, revise everything on the same day and also on the same week. It will help you to keep the things in mind. Whatever you read, revise a lot. It will help you to keep in clarity about the things and practice a lot. Attend a number of marks. It will help you in handling negative marking and also time management. And it's all about the thing which I want to share with you. And with this, we are concluding. And I hope the video will be very much useful to you. Thank you for all your supports and do subscribe our channel for the next earliest updates by tapping on the bell icon. Thank you and see you all again.